What do you do, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to the crypto channel 329. Today's video we are going to talk about the cake invest. Okay guys, before I go into it, let me just tell you that this is a super risky play. Okay, only invest funds that you are comfortable to lose, and before you invest, please make sure that the website is still up and running. Okay, because these projects, they usually don't last more than 2 weeks. Okay guys, so keep that in mind. And that being said, this video is just for educational purposes only. Okay, so what is cake invest? Cake invest is a super risky degen where you can make 10%, 20%, 35%, 50%, or 10% hourly for 24 hours. Okay, or I mean 140% in 24 hours. Okay, so as you can see right here, each investment has their own minimum and maximum. Okay, and also the total return. Okay guys, so we go from 110%, and you'll be able to make a 10% profit of your investment up to $500 in 24 hours. So that means you can only claim your rewards after your plan expires. But this one right here, the 10%, will pay you 10% hourly for 24 hours, and you'll make a total return of 240%. Bear in mind guys, the minimum investment for this one is $15,000. Okay, over here we have a calculator, so you can calculate how much you potentially will earn according to the plan that you are going to choose. So the plan that I'm going to roll with is going to be the 120%. Okay, so currently I have $600 to withdraw. Okay, so I'm going to withdraw those $600 and I'm going to go in again. Okay, so investing $600 will give me a total return of $720 after 24 hours. Okay, scrolling further down, we can see that the project is 1 day old. Total deposits $267,000. Okay, total withdrawn only 24K. Okay guys, so this is fairly new. 450 users, total accounts, and as you can see right here, we can see the latest deposits, right? So big money right here, and we can see the latest withdrawals. Okay, so and also they have a referral program where you can earn up to 10% referral commission. Okay guys, so that being said, let's go over to my account and let's see what's up. Okay, so if you go over to dashboard, we can see right here crypto channel 329, and we can see my latest deposit was yesterday, but yesterday there was a lot of confusion in regards to USDT, so my investment took some time, took like 2-3 hours to go in. Okay, that's why I didn't make the video yesterday, because I was like, is this gonna work, is this not? So I decided to postpone the video. But as you can see right here, my latest deposit right there, and total earned so far today was $600 right? So as you can see right there, where was it? Oh, my plan expired, so I cannot show you. But before you start investing, you have to add your wallet address right here so you can receive your funds. So I'm going to receive my funds in Tether BEP20. Okay, that's my wallet address right there. Okay, actually I need to swap it. Okay, so you can see that in real time. Okay, okay, my wallet is there. So now I'm gonna go ahead and confirm. So my thing was updated, so now I want to withdraw because I have some funds available. Okay guys, so let's go hit withdraw. Okay, and then we can see account balance $600. Okay, so you scroll further down, you can see that I have $600 in Tether BEP20. Okay, so what I will do, my wallet address is right there. Okay, I just updated, so I'm gonna type in $600. Request. Over here is the confirmation for the request. Okay, and I'm gonna hit confirm. So once you hit confirm, withdrawal has been processed. Okay, and I will receive a confirmation from Trust Wallet. There you go. As you can see right there on the top, I just received my 600 USDT. Okay, and what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna go back in, right? So I am gonna go for the 120% again. Okay, so 120% after 24 hours. So the minimum is 500, maximum is 2.5k. Okay, and remember, the higher you go, the more you will earn. Okay, but you'll have to invest more money. Okay, I only have 600, so I'm gonna go with 600, and I'm gonna select the Tether BEP20 again. I'm gonna go for 600 bucks right there, and we're gonna hit spend. Okay, so when you hit spend, you will have this deposit confirmation, right? Say, telling you the plan, 120% after 24 hours. Investment is going to be 600 bucks. Okay, and now, oh my bad, not sure if I'm going to be able to copy all this. Now I just have to copy all this address. So let me, damn it. Okay, let me copy. Okay, I'm on my wallet right here, and I'm gonna paste the address right there, minus this thing. So I have to make sure that the address is correct. 0xAEB, and if you scroll all the way down, 962. Yeah, that's correct. 0xAEB and 962. If you go over to here, we can see 962 0xEB, and the amount's gonna be 600 bucks. Okay, so I am happy with that. I'm gonna hit continue. Now it's gonna have it's gonna show a transfer confirmation. Okay, so we are going to send Tether BEP20 from my account to this account right here, 600 USDT. We're gonna hit confirm. We're gonna confirm right here, and boom, the money is gone. There you go, money has gone. So now we're gonna come over here to the Cake Invest, and it will take a moment. Okay, once the payment goes through, right, we are up and running for another 24 hours, and that's it, guys. That's it. That's simple. And we are in. So if you come over here to dashboard or my deposits, we should be able to see my investment. Okay, so last deposit 600 bucks. Okay, and if we come over here to deposit section, we can see the stats of my deposit, my investment. Okay, so I chose this one, 120%, and as you can see right here, 600 bucks will expire in 24 hours. Okay guys, so at this time tomorrow I'll be able to come over here and collect my rewards, and it is that simple, guys. So that being said, I'm going to wrap this video up. Only invest funds that you are comfortable to lose if something goes wrong. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Peace.